Hi everyone, Chef Anthony here at Don's Appliances. Today I'm going to go over your Gaggenau panel ready dishwasher. This is an amazing dishwasher with a ton of fit and finish. It is the upper echelon of the family of dishwashers. So first and foremost, the lighting in here is impeccable. So look at the back panels are lit up. There are the standard lighting here as well. And I always say to every customer, once you have a light in your dishwasher, you'll never go back to it, you know? So I'm gonna actually go through the insides, talk about the glide racks, talk about some of the features. I mean, look really nice. There's no bevel in there. So these are standard glide racks. These are all accessory functions. So when you see these, this really is going to snap down. You can put your wine stems in here so they lay on a 45. So you really get full usage of the dishwasher. So if you put these down, you can hold pots and pans, you know, frying pans can lay, things like that. The 45 degrees is really where you want to be. As long as your dishes are at a 45 degree, I always say dishwashers are like coffee. Everybody does it a different way. But as long as you're laying them at a 45 degree angle, the water will run off. So these can actually snap back depending on your application. And Gaggenau really takes another step further with just these movable tines. So see how you can adjust these little guys down. You can snap this down if you have something that you need, like a Pyrex container or a big pot or something like that. They really pull these down, and this helps a few things. This helps fit your cookware in here, but it helps not to break the tines. These are the tines. So usually people just jam things on here and break these off, and then they chip and rust, and this is really what ends up at the bottom of your dishwasher that you don't want to see. Here's your traditional basket for your utensils and cutlery. See how it glides here? You can kind of put it here, there, anywhere. I like to remove it because this comes with the patented third rack right here. So, you'll put all your silverware, your forks and knives and everything, in these little tines. It'll wash them individually. There's a sprayer arm on top. Then for your heavier ladles and things, you're really gonna click that down and see how that goes down nice and easily. Now you could put a whisk there, you could put a ladle, things of that sort. And then, just to bring it back, is it just a little clip up there? If I put my hand up in the right spot, it snaps, it goes. That's nice and easy. Rack right here, this is a nice telescopic rack. So you see these, this is more rubberized wine stems. So, that can pop in and pop out. You could actually put that down if you don't want it and you're using regular glasses. So these pop up as well, depending on your configuration, whether you want it down or up. And this is adjustable. So see these tabs right here, they go down. So you could telescopically put it down or rack it up. Or I tell customers, if you have something on the high side on the right, you can put this down and this down like this. It'll still work. I know it looks a little obscure, but it works in the grand scheme of things. Water will run off for 100% sure, okay? When we're talking about it, so let me show you right here. So they have the patented, spray arm, and this is the new spray arm from the family of dishwashers that really goes with a direct spray. So you can pick, which corner you want to really clean. And then in the far right corner is our zeolite. That's right there. That's our moon rocks that heat up and really dry everything. And then here's where your salt dispenser is right here. So this is, you'll open that up, put a box of salt, cup of water, and that'll adjust the hard water in your home. So it really comes full circle. This is a stainless steel tub, ton of spray arm features, a ton of cleanability. So we'll put that back. Here's where your soap pods go. Everybody kind of asks for that, where's your soap pods at? Soap pod goes in here, snap this down. Rinse aid goes in here. So you pour your rinse aid in here, fill that and close it. This is really all you need to know. Everybody asks me, what can I put on here, Chef? I say nothing because the soap pot actually disperses here and the water hits it and it disperses out through the machine. So this is really where the soap lays, okay? So nothing there. When you talk about Gaggenau, there's a ton of finite settings. So there's 3 auto settings, and this is the best way to remember. See this eye? So you click this eye first, it's the explanation of it, and all you gotta do is hold down the button, highlight it, and it'll show you exactly what it is, okay? So if we hit the eye, and then I go like this, it'll say, auto. So now this is auto light, and then this is auto for heavy. This is auto for heavy soiled items, this is auto for medium, and this is auto for light soiled items, okay? So think about those 3 autos. And then this is like your normal setting. This is just for your 1 hour washes. So this is like, you know, if you're 1 hour dishes or things like that, if you're running a party, you just got bar drinks and things like that. Then it goes vice versa. There's a lot of different settings throughout this action. See, this is for your gentle cycle. This is for the reduced time. So this is your quick setting, okay? And then you dance over to here. You know, this talks about some of the drying and the specialty settings. This is the remote start button if we want to use that with our Home Connect appliance, okay? We click the next one. This allows the washing at lower basket zone. So this allows it to just wash at the bottom of it, okay? So think about that. And that's the run time. This increases the temperature to our max temp. This one here, this is the Zeolite technology. So this is the drying cycle that we're talked about at the bottom. This is our last one. This is the machine care, okay? So use that with a machining care product. That's great. Everything's down in the info. Ton of features, ton of finite finishes. I mean, this is the most you can do in a dishwasher from Gaggenau. So think about the most options, highest rate, and the decibel level is extremely low on this unit, okay? So it's super quiet, panel ready, and sleek. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much from Don's Appliances.